Welcome to my channel Tech Reviews, where inspiration meets innovation. Whether you're here to learn, explore, or connect, you're in the right place. Are you looking for the best convection ovens in 2025? Here are my full reviews of the best convection ovens in 2025. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you. Number 1. Nuwave Bravo Pro Convection Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo, the Ultimate Kitchen Upgrade, 2025 model. The Nuwave Bravo Pro is the 2025 new and improved 10-in-1 convection air fryer toaster oven combo, designed for fast, even, and crispy cooking. With a spacious 21-core capacity, it replaces multiple appliances, offering air frying, baking, roasting, toasting, and more. Precision temperature control, 50 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, ensures perfect results, whether you're dehydrating snacks or crisping fried favorites. Quick and even crisp technology guarantees golden, delicious meals every time, while the rapid convection heating cuts cooking time by up to 50%. Why choose the Nuwave Bravo Pro? Heavy checkmark 10 versatile cooking functions. Heavy checkmark large capacity for family meals. Heavy checkmark energy-efficient performance. Heavy checkmark easy-to-clean stainless steel interior. Ideal for busy households, this all-in-one powerhouse delivers restaurant-quality results at home. Upgrade your kitchen with the Nuwave Bravo Pro, where speed, precision, and versatility meet. Number 2. Midea Flexify French Door Toaster Oven Air Fryer Combo, 10-in-1 versatility and speed. Upgrade your kitchen with the Midea Flexify 26.4 QD French Door Toaster Oven Air Fryer Combo, designed for faster, healthier cooking. This 10-in-1 countertop oven combines air frying, baking, toasting, roasting, and more, all in one sleek, space-saving appliance. Enjoy 25% faster cooking with even heat distribution and 90% less oil than traditional frying, making meals crispier and guilt-free. The extra-large 26.4 QD capacity fits a 13-inch pizza, whole chicken, or multiple racks of cookies, perfect for family meals. The French door design saves space while providing easy access, and the digital touchscreen ensures precise control. From crispy fries to golden toast and roasted veggies, the Midea Flexify delivers restaurant-quality results at home. Key features: heavy checkmark 10-in-1 functionality. Heavy checkmark 25% faster cooking. Heavy checkmark 90% less oil. Heavy checkmark spacious 26.4 QD capacity. Heavy checkmark stylish French door design. Cook smarter, faster, and healthier with Midea Flexify. Number 3. TOSHIBA AC25 CWSS Large 6-Slice Convection Toaster Oven, versatile and powerful. Upgrade your kitchen with the TOSHIBA AC25 CWSS 6-Slice Convection Toaster Oven, designed for efficiency and versatility. With 10-in-1 functionality, it handles toast, pizza, rotisserie, bake, broil, roast, convection bake, warm, dehydrate, and defrost, all in one compact appliance. The 1500W power ensures quick, even heating, while the convection fan circulates hot air for faster, crispier results. Its large interior fits 6 slices of bread or a 12-inch pizza, perfect for family meals. The stainless steel body adds durability and a sleek look to any countertop. Includes 6 accessories: baking pan, wire rack, crumb tray, rotisserie spit, fork, and skewer set, everything you need to start cooking right away. Key features: heavy checkmark 10-in-1 multifunctional. Heavy checkmark 1500W powerful convection heating. Heavy checkmark large 6-slice capacity. Heavy checkmark stainless steel design. Heavy checkmark includes 6 essential accessories. Enjoy restaurant-quality meals at home with the TOSHIBA AC25 CWSS Toaster Oven. Perfect for busy households and cooking enthusiasts. Number 4. CUCINA Infrared Heating Air Fryer Toaster Oven, 10-in-1 Countertop Convenience. Upgrade your kitchen with the CUCINA infrared heating air fryer toaster oven, a versatile 10-in-1 countertop convection oven designed for efficiency and ease. With infrared heating technology, it cooks food faster and more evenly than traditional ovens, while the extra-large 6-slice capacity accommodates family-sized meals. Enjoy multiple cooking functions, including air frying, baking, toasting, roasting, dehydrating, and more, all in one compact appliance. The included enamel baking pan ensures effortless cleanup, while the digital controls and adjustable temperature, up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, provide precision cooking. Perfect for crispy fries, golden toast, or juicy roasted chicken, this energy-efficient oven saves time without sacrificing flavor. Its sleek design fits any kitchen, making it ideal for busy households. Key features: heavy checkmark 10-in-1 multifunctional oven. Heavy checkmark infrared heating for faster results. Heavy checkmark 6-slice capacity plus enamel pan, easy clean. Heavy checkmark digital controls plus convection fan. Heavy checkmark space saving and family friendly. Cook smarter with CUCINA, where innovation meets everyday convenience. Number 5. Elite Gourmet ETO 4510M French Door 47.5 QT Convection Oven, versatile and spacious cooking. Upgrade your kitchen with the Elite Gourmet ETO 4510M French Door Convection Oven, offering a massive 47.5 core capacity and 18-slice toasting capability, perfect for large meals and entertaining. Its 4 control knobs provide easy operation for baking, broiling, toasting, rotisserie, and keep warm functions, ensuring professional results every time. The French door design allows for convenient access, while the powerful convection fan ensures even heat distribution for faster, crispier cooking. Includes 2 12-inch pizza pans, making it ideal for homemade pizzas, roasted meats, and more. Key features: heavy checkmark 47.5 QT capacity, fits large dishes and multiple racks. Heavy checkmark 18-slice toasting, great for family breakfasts. Heavy checkmark 4 knobs for precise control, bake, broil, toast, rotisserie, keep warm. Heavy checkmark French door design, easy access and safety. Heavy checkmark includes 2 by 12-inch pizza pans, perfect for pizza lovers. Enjoy restaurant-quality meals at home with the Elite Gourmet ETO 4510M, powerful, spacious, and designed for gourmet cooking.